Insertion sort is a simple comparison-based sorting algorithm that builds the final sorted array one element at a time. In this video, we'll break down the insertion sort algorithm step by step, making it easy for beginners to understand. Assume we have an unsorted data like this. In insertion sort, we maintain two pointers, I and j, and a temporary variable temp which will hold the value of the current element at index I. Pointer I starts from the second element of the list, index 1, and progresses to the end. Whereas j loops backward from index I-1 to the beginning of the list. We first mark the initial value of the list as yellow because there is nothing to the left of it and it will always be sorted when compared to its left. Now, for each element at index I, we compare it with the elements to its left starting from j equals I-1 to the beginning of the list. If the current element is smaller than any element to its left, we shift those elements one position to the right until we find the correct position for the current element, which is held by temp. Once the correct position is determined, temp is inserted into its proper place in the sorted portion of the array. The time complexity of selection sort is of the order of n squared. In the worst-case scenario, for each element in the array, the algorithm may need to compare it with every other element before finding its correct position. Insertion sort also has a space complexity of order of 1. This is because it achieves sorting by shifting elements within the array itself rather than creating new data structures. The code is provided in the description below.